Hello friends, welcome to Aditi Learning Center. So today we are going to see quicker method of addition. For the time being, we will name this method as method 1. Okay. So when is this method useful? Whenever you are faced with a series of numbers for addition and you are asked to find the sum total of a series of numbers as shown on the board, then this method is very helpful in making a quicker addition. That is, in all competitive examinations, we know that these type of questions, they appear in the paper. So today let us explore a new way of making the addition of such numbers a little bit quicker. See, suppose this example, as you can see on the board, 5345 plus 9349 plus 757 plus 6432 plus 461 plus 8872. So you are asked to find the sum total of all these numbers. So this method of addition is also known as ticks method of addition. So what do you mean by the ticks method of addition? Let us see. Now, as you can see, this method involves addition of all the numbers first in the units column. So here in the units column it's 5, then 9, 7, 2, 1, 8. What we do is we go on adding these units digits numbers one by one, and whenever the total of 2 digits exceeds 10, we place a tick on that number where the total exceeds 10, where the total becomes equal to or greater than 10. For example, now 5 plus 9 is 14. So 14 is greater than 10. So we mark a tick here, and 14, and the unit digits of 14 is 4. So 4 plus 7 is 11. Again, it is greater than 10. So we mark one more tick here. So now 2 ticks. So 4 plus 7 is 11. So the unit place number is 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 8. Now here again 4 plus 8 exceeds 10. So 4 plus 8 is 12. So we put one more tick here, and the final digit in the units place of the sum total will be 2. So we note down 2 in the units column, and then what do we note down? The number of ticks that are appearing in that column. So here 1, 2, 3. 3 ticks are there, so we note down the number of ticks as 3 for the units place. Likewise, if we go on adding all the numbers in the tens place, in the hundreds place, and then in the thousands place, we will get, using this ticks method of addition, we will get the intermediary total as 8992, and the number of ticks for each position is 2223. So 2223 depicts the number of ticks. Okay. So now, how to get the sum total of all these numbers in a quicker way? First of all, this is a very simple method. So we note down 8992 and 2223. This denotes the number of ticks in each column. Now, 8992 and 2223. What do? We place 2 zeros at both ends of 8992 and 2223, and we perform an addition in this way. That is, the second number from the right hand side will be added to the first number on the right hand side of the number of ticks. So 2 plus 0 is 2, 9 plus 3 here comes 12, so we note down 2, then 1, 1 plus 2, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12, so we note down 2, carry forward 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1, and 1 plus 2 is 3. So this gives the total of the series of these numbers, that is 5345 plus 9349 plus 757 plus 6432 plus 461 plus 8878 equals to 31,222. So this is the ticks method of addition. We'll see more methods of quicker addition in the coming videos, but I'm sure till now it is clear for everyone. Thank you.